How to treat stains on your NeoTimber composite deck. Composite decking is more stain resistant than most other options, but spills can still happen. Depending on the type of composite decking you choose, this can lead to staining of the product if these spills are not dealt with sooner rather than later. This video guide is designed to offer advice on treating stains on your deck while outlining the difference between the two different types of composite decking that we offer. Treating our traditional deck boards. The stain resistance varies depending on which NeoTimber decking you choose. Traditional composite boards, or essential or classic, are a moulded material and can stain. Should you need to treat a spot stain on traditional composite material, there's a couple of handy tips that we recommend. We recommend that all stains are treated within 7 days using a sponge and warm, soapy water. Don't use a scourer or yard broom, as you may run the risk of scratching your deck. For stubborn stains, such as oil and grease marks, we recommend treating these straight away. If cleaning doesn't help, you can gently sand the surface of the area with 80 grit sandpaper. This will remove the surface layer of the board, and with it, the stain. The sanded area will appear a lighter tone at first, but this will blend in over time. Treating our cap deck boards. Our Advanced and Deluxe ranges of decking are a capped composite. They're wrapped in an outer capping that shields the product from the effects of staining. The easy clean properties of this product make it easy to maintain. Simply follow our general cleaning and care guide to lift any dirt off your capped composite products. For more information, head over to neotimber.com. Like what you see and keen to learn more? Why not explore more of NeoTimber's videos or hit the subscribe button? Alternatively, head over to neotimber.com to explore our products.